This episode of the Good Living Now podcast is sponsored by our friends at Kuvings. Now, I've tried many cold pressed juices over the years, but the Kuvings Auto 10 has truly simplified my routine. Now, my personal experience is that it's simple to operate and quick to clean. Now, with the Auto 10, I can make everything from nice cream to more than smoothies to sorbets, and I can even make plant-based milk. Now, if you'd like to give it a try, use my affiliate code. All right, go ahead, grab your fresh produce and get your juice on. So it's the holiday season, and you know it's a very festive times. And you know, when we think of festive, we think of drinking. But not everybody drinks alcohol. So today, I'm making my blueberry mimosa with no alcohol. And it's 4 simple ingredients. We have sparkling water, organic blueberries, organic oranges. I was going to say apples, but these are oranges. And we're going to add a little bit of maple syrup. Now, you don't have to use sparkling water. You can also use non-alcoholic champagne. But today, we're using sparkling water. Now, this is perfect because if you have relatives like mine who like to drink, and you know, once people start drinking, things get a little crazy. That's when I leave the party. But this is going to keep it safe. No alcohol, but you're going to have that festive feel like, you know, you're drinking something. And the cool thing about these mimosas, you get all the nutritional benefits from the oranges and the blueberries. The blueberries are packed with antioxidants, and we know that these oranges are packed with vitamin C. Plus, that maple syrup right there is full of antioxidants and it's low glycemic, so you don't have to worry about it spiking up your blood sugar. All right, now we're going to juice our oranges now that we have them all peeled. So we're going to juice 8 oranges. Get those all in our juicer. And you know, fresh pressed orange tastes so much better than that store-bought stuff. That ain't even orange juice. This is the real deal. Okay, we got our orange juice done. Now we're going to mix up our blueberries. All right, now we're going to switch out the attachment from the juicer because we're going to use the same juicer to make our blueberry puree. All right, just put that in. Gonna take this out. Normally we would clean all this off, but it's all good. And then just toss in our blueberries. All right, now it's time to make our mimosas. So we're going to add our blueberry. Just a little bit, a little more there. All right. All right. Normally we'll pop a bottle, but we're gonna pop some water. This almost feels like real champagne. This, look, it done splashed all over everything. But here we go. So we're gonna add our sparkling water. Add that. Just about 1/4 of a cup of sparkling water. Get that fizz. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of maple syrup just to sweeten it a tad bit. You can also use honey, or you don't have to even add anything to it, but I like mine a little sweeter. So add a little bit of maple syrup there. There we go. Look at all that deliciousness. Not only is this delicious, it's nutritious. So look, you're getting something that tastes good and it's gonna make you feel good. And it's not gonna make you feel, you know, drunk. And there you have it. That's your blueberry mimosa with no alcohol. It's gonna have you feeling good, no hangover. All right, happy holidays.